All right, time to celebrate some birthdays on this Monday morning. We begin in Jasper with Macy Fosdick, who's turning 8. Macy, a happy birthday to you.
All right, and Aria Allred celebrating birthday number 9 this year. Hope it's a great one for you.
And we've got Aspen Wyrick in Seneca turning 10. Now, Aspen's birthday was on Friday, but we didn't have a picture. We missed one, so we just wanted to make sure that we shared that picture with the 4 states. So Aspen, of course, this means you can celebrate all week long, and why not? This is with love from Mom, Dad, Nana, and Papa. Happy birthday to you again, Aspen.
Up in Uniontown, Artie Polrees celebrating birthday number 14 this year.
And we've got Wyatt Blackford turning 15 in Lamar. Wyatt, a happy birthday to you.
Garrett Allman celebrating the big 2-0 this year. Garrett is in Chanute.
And we have Shelby and Grant Smith. They are twins in Pittsburgh, celebrating their 23rd birthday today. A happy birthday to both of you.
All right, happy birthday, Shelby and Grant. And Brianne O'Brien celebrating 31 years today. Brianne is in Liberty.
And we've got Kaylee Newman turning 32 over in Riverton. Kaylee, a happy birthday to you.
And Jennifer Harina celebrating the big 4-0 this year. Happy birthday to Jennifer in Frontenac.
And Adam Atnip also turning 40 just to the east over in Jasper. A happy birthday to you, Adam.
Janet Atnip is turning 69. This is Adam's mother. And earlier we had Macy, our very first picture, Macy Fosdick. This is her great aunt. So we've got a lot of birthdays in the family today. Janet is 69 in Jasper.
And we've got Gary Smith turning 72 in Pittsburgh. And here he's pictured with his hole-in-one at Holiday Island in Arkansas, playing golf much better than I do. Gary, a happy birthday to you.
That'd be so awesome to get a hole-in-one. Awesome job, and happy birthday, Gary. And happy birthday to Gary Clark, who's 84 this year. Gary is in Joplin.
And we've also got Earl Eddington celebrating birthday number 84 as well. Earl is over in Columbus. Happy birthday.
In Coffeyville, Kathy Clark Thompson celebrating another birthday. Hope it's a great one for you.
And we've also got Molly Lovell over in Frontenac celebrating a birthday today as well. I would love to go see Mount Rushmore. Molly got the chance to do so. An excellent trip, I'm sure. Happy birthday.
All right. Birthday list goes on. We've got Shane Schuberger celebrating another year wiser in Columbus. Glenn Schofield is 74 in Miami. Apparently we had your birthday incorrect. I'm so sorry about that, Glenn. He is 74 and lives in Miami.
Now, I wasn't here Friday, but my hope is, and I'm sure that Glenn wouldn't mind, that we had his birthday a few years younger.
I don't
You're
recall.
only as old as you feel,
There you
right?
go.
And we've got some anniversaries today as well. We've got Lloyd and Joyce Woods in Baxter Springs celebrating their 63rd. Steve and Pam Jacquinot celebrating their 47th in St. Paul. And Floyd and Dixie Woods celebrating their 57th wedding anniversary in Pittsburgh. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to everybody today.